Hey guys, I'm Guillaume Vignol, co-founder of Flips, and with Flips, we want to help people to build deeper connections. Universities are places where social integration is mandatory for student success. So we asked hundreds of students. They say they felt isolated, alone, and lost, especially international students. Ensuring the well-being of these students is a major priority for universities. They must be attractive. Welcome desk, dedicated events, sponsoring program, psychiatrists. For middle-sized establishments, their expenses reach more than $100,000 a year. So for only 10% of what they are paying now, we bring them an all-end solution with way much more outcome. At Flips, we believe that sharing moments together is what makes a true relationship. We build a user-oriented platform using AI to create unique connections between people sharing the same hobbies and events. On Flips, each university has its own safe space, and administration can access a dashboard on the web with statistics. Behind Flips, we have 5 students from the top-ranked universities in France. One of us, Raphael, is a recommendation expert with a master thesis in the field. All co-founders have studied abroad, and we all felt isolated and didn't know what to do. Now, we need your help to build this future together.